How to find explicit content settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find explicit content settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner, and then just click this one. Scroll down until you find explicit content and then click on it. And as you see here, you will find it explicit content settings. Here you can unhide tracks available in your country or until you want, and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.